Hey guys, you're watching WiederladerTv. Today I would like to upgrade my old but very good trimmer from RCBS, the TrimPro. It's a very solid trimmer, but it's not the fastest in the world. There is an upgrade kit available from RCBS to speed up the process, but you have to spend hundreds of euros for this unit, and personally I don't want to spend that much money for upgrading my old RCBS trimmer. Instead of this, I found a little adapter. I bought this here on ebay.com. Costs a few dollars only, from the United States. And today I would like to mount this here to my RCBS TrimPro, and then I would like to use my cordless drill to power trim my brass. Let's go. And here you can see a close-up from the adapter before mounting. The adapter for the RCBS TrimPro is made by DaCamReloading.com. First we have to remove the factory handle. It's held in place by a simple screw. So we have to unscrew it, and then we can insert the new adapter. Okay guys, the whole installation process took a few seconds only, and now I can use my cordless drill to power trim my brass. Let me show you how it works. It's very fast, and my brass is trimmed, chamfered and deburred at once. In no time, no pain. One more. Super fast, and the result is perfect. And a last one. I really like it. Okay guys, and that was my short video about the DaCam adapter for my RCBS TrimPro. I hope you enjoyed this little video here. If so, please click on the thumb up button, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this adapter. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you very much for taking the time watching my video. Hope I see you next at WiederladerTv.